Oi, if you had a choice to stay on an island in the middle of the ocean for 24 hours with no way home, would you do it? Right now, that's exactly what we're about to do. Woo! What's going on, doggies? Welcome back to another video, and this one, man, I am so excited. So right now I'm standing on an island, a tiny little island. I've been wanting to come here for the last 3 years. I finally found a boat driver who can drop me off, and dude, my excitement levels are so high right now. I was originally going to do this as a solo trip, but a couple of the boys caught wind of it and they wanted to come, so that's all cool with me, man. More the merrier. So I'm with a couple of Indo boys and we're going to stay here for 24 hours. We've got absolutely no way back to the mainland until tomorrow afternoon when that boat driver comes back. I'm so ready for this. And I just broke my sunnies. Look at that. Both arms just snapped. That really sucks. This is going to be killer. Woo-hoo! Look at this place. It's so rugged. It's so good. So this is all the junk we have for the next 24 hours. Everyone's getting their rods set up. We've got some big gear going on here. Big hooks. I'm gonna be busting out this stick bait again. But right now, I'm gonna walk around the island and just suss it out and see what it's like. Woohoo! All the boys have got lines in the water now, so it's gonna be a very interesting afternoon. Very interesting with that sunnies on as well. Oh! Oh no 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 no! Holy shit! Oh my god, it just came up and belted that lure! Oh, I'm in a dangerous place here. Whoa! What is this? There's a big rock down there. Literally only been here for like, I don't know, 15 minutes. It's coming up. Oh, it's a little GT. It's only a small one, but it's a fish. Right, I gotta get this up. I'll be back.
Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is the way to start a video. As you guys can tell, I am very, very excited right now. Oh my god. Absolutely frothing on that fish. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Far out. I've been wanting to come to this island for like 3 years, and look what it produces within 20 minutes. I've only been fishing for about 10. Oh, look at that, he's absolutely made a mess of that lure. Woohoo! Oh, I've been fishing for about another 40 minutes and it's getting really windy. I wouldn't mind putting the drone in the air, but at the moment it's pretty blowy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you can. I'm actually going to keep that fish because I've brought absolutely no food. So I sort of was hoping I'd get a fish. I was going to eat a fish if I got one, and if I didn't get a fish I was just going to eat oysters or whatever. That's usually all I live on anyway in these videos. But yeah, we got a fish. It's a beautiful eating size. I can even take some home and it's going to make a bomber fish curry, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right, let's go back around the other side and we'll show the boys the things you do for an adventure. gotta come back for my fish. Their reaction was so funny.
Funny?
So good. So while I was gone, I also got a fish. I think it's like a long-nosed emperor. Look at this beautiful fish. So I got that while I was gone. I obviously just caught it, it's still kicking. That's gonna be beautiful chewing. All right, so we're about to take the last fillet off this puppy. There we go. Look at that. That is beautiful fresh meat. Ooh. So another thing that I have a weird obsession with is seeing what fish eat. So let's see if this guy's eating anything. I love looking in their stomachs. You find plastic, I don't know, you find fish, you find what they're eating. And this guy's stomach is empty. There you go. We have two beautiful fillets of fresh fish. This is living, doggies. What a way to start the first couple of hours on this island. Unfortunately, I haven't done a lot of filming because I've just been running around like a headless chicken, just so excited up and down these rocks, trying to find different places to fish tomorrow. And whoo, we got that one fish. I'm very happy with that. The boy's gotten like a long-nosed emperor. That's going to be beautiful eating. And yeah, it's been a sick first couple of hours. The sun's just gone down. I wanted to put the drone up in the air, but it's really windy. So hopefully we can get it up in the morning because I want to look at this little island from above. But look at this sunset, mate. This is exactly what I live for. This moment right now. This is so funny. So I've brought nothing except for water, and these boys have brought coffee, a little gas cooker. They've got it all. You guys are prepared. Look at that, mate. We got coffees.
Black coffee.
Black coffee. We are going to be on. Good job, mate, because I brought absolutely nothing. I'm all coffeeed up. I'm ready to go. This is why we're putting down little bits of bait like that. Super deep water out there. I think this is going to be a very interesting night. All the boys are just down there a little bit further because where they're fishing, it's like, I don't know, they've got 2 rods each and it's really busy. So I've snuck up here to my own little spot, and yeah, man, I'm going to fish here and hopefully you're going to get a horse. Woo! That first bait I dropped down took about, how long did that take? 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I was sitting there waiting and boom, check this out. Look at that, guys. That's the first bait in the water for the night. And we got this beautiful specimen. Look at that, man. Tonight's just getting better and better and better. So I just went over there to go get another bit of bait. And the boys are like, have you eaten, mate? I was like, no, I don't bring any food on these adventures. I usually cook what I catch. Here you go, buddy, have this. Are you serious? Chicken, egg, rice. Absolute legends. Without them, I'd have to go start a fire and cook that beautiful fish. Look at that thing. Beautiful, mate. I'm pretty sure they call that a snapper. Beautiful colors, hey? Look at that, bit of egg, bit of chicken, a bit of rice on there. Look at that, mate. Beautiful. That's really good. So just like that, you can lose the fish of a lifetime. Probably about 5 bits of bait in since I checked in last, and I just got absolutely railed. Look at that line, it's all frayed and just chewed on the reef. That thing was big. Look how hungry that little fella was. He took the biggest bait. He's obviously going to go back, but man, what a beautiful little fish. Look at that. I'm trying to find my way to my little rock, which is my bed for the night, because I want to show you guys where I'm sleeping. It's going to be probably the most comfortable sleep I've ever had. This beautiful piece of rock here is my bed. Look at that. I can't wait. I do have a mattress to lay on though, which isn't too bad, but I mean, it is not, that is not thick at all, but it'll do the job. Who cares, eh? So we have like no blankets, no pillows, none of that stuff, but you really don't need it, to be honest. I'm gonna wake up in about 2 hours and start fishing again, so if anything sick happens during the night, like someone gets a fish or one of my rods go off, I will start filming that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go sleep and probably get carried away by mosquitoes tonight. I did not think about that. All right, see you guys bright and early. Woo! Oh, look. Have a look at that sunrise. That is something for a sore eyes. The boys even made me coffees. Black Indo coffee, beautiful. And here, I got my rod down there with a balloon with a big bait on it. Hopefully we can get something off the surface with that. Last night I had actually a pretty bloody good sleep, eh? And rolled on, you can't lay on your side on these rocks, you've just got to lay on your back, but it was actually pretty good. So I'm ready, I'm roaring. I got me coffee. Look at this sunrise, man. Oh, that lure, my lure just got absolutely smashed just then on the surface. I'm pretty sure it was a dolly. Big yellow flash and just a massive splash behind it. I got goosebumps, man. That was psycho. That was a really big hit. So I've just walked around the other side of this little island and I'm gonna try to have a flick here. I got one. And this morning, as soon as I put the drone down, fishing on the other side, I got a really good hit. It looked like a dolphin fish, mahi-mahi, but didn't hook up. It just sort of like smashed the lure out of the water and must have hit it on a funny angle, but that's fishing. So I've come to the other side now. I've been over there for like an hour casting, nothing. So I've come to the other side. Same lure as yesterday, similar spot as yesterday. So we're gonna give this a red hot crack out here. The tide started to really push in. There's a lot of water moving. Woo! We could be on here. Ah! Ooh. Oh, my back's sore. It's not easy work throwing out these lures for hours straight with no success. Still mad times, but had that one big boof before and that's it. So I'm gonna go back around to where the boys are. They're on the hot side of their island, they're on the sunny side. So I'll make my way over there and see what they're doing. Maybe I'll go for a bit of an oyster graze because I've had nothing to eat and I'm so hungry right now. A couple of oysters for breakfast. Woo, that sounds all right, doesn't it? Have a go at that. I think I fixed me sunnies. I just wrapped a bit of fishing line around my head and we're good, mate. They're staying on now. Really hot, it's really bright. I was just about to have a big feed of oysters and then I've seen that current, it's like ripping through there. Absolutely pumping. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put like a big bit of bait on, no weights, and just send it out in that current and hold on. Because it'd be nice to get a fish today. Yesterday was good fun. You just never know what's going to take it. It's so good. Get that big bait out there. No way. The boat that dropped us off yesterday just arrived. There he is down there, and all the boys just ran over there, and I think they're packing up their fishing gear. No! Anyway, I had an absolute sick time. It was so much fun. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. It means the world. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, doggies! Woo!